तारे जिसकी गर्दे राह हूँ, वो कारवां तू है।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all of you are in the best state of iman and health. Today we're going to start a new grammar topic, and the topic is adverbs. You can find this grammar topic on page number 32 of your book, and in the workbook this topic is present on page number 19. So first of all, we should know what an adverb is. So an adverb is basically a word that tells us something more about an action. All of you already know that a verb, verb, is an action word. A verb tells us about an action. So an adverb is something similar to a verb. It tells us how that action is done, how that action is taking place. Okay, it tells us a little more about the verb basically. All right, so adverbs describe how actions are done. So let us look at the first example of adverb so that the concept is clearer to you all. The boys worked busily at their homework. So here worked, this is the verb, right? This is the action word. Now busily is the adverb, and it is telling us more about this action word. Okay, it is telling us that the boys were working busily. Okay, so this is an adverb in this sentence. Now the thing that you need to remember is that many adverbs end in ly, but some of them do not. So most of the adverbs that you're going to study are going to end in ly, okay? But some adverbs do not end in ly. For example, afterward, already, almost. These are some examples of adverbs which do not end in ly. But you do not have to remember these because these are not in your syllabus. A very interesting thing is that adverbs can be formed from adjectives. What does this mean? That we can convert adjectives into adverbs. Let us see how we can do that. The first example we have is quick. Now all of you know that quick is an adjective. Now if we add ly to this, it will become quickly, and quickly is an adverb. Similarly, we have the word happy. Happy is an adjective. If we change this y into I and then add ly into it, it will become happily, and this is an adverb. Okay, the third example is true. True is an adjective. If we remove this e and add ly, it will become truly, which is an adverb. Now these are only 3 of the total number of ways in which we can convert adjectives into adverbs. Okay, you must remember that there are many other ways in which we can convert an adjective into adverb, but I have only chosen the ones that are mentioned in your book. Okay, you have to learn these only. Now let us look at some more examples of adverbs. The first example we have is the man faced the tiger bravely. Here, bravely is an adverb. It is telling us how the man faced the tiger. Okay, faced is the action word over here. Okay, and bravely is the adverb. And what is the adjective that the adverb is made from? The adjective is brave. So brave has been converted into an adverb bravely by adding ly to it. All right. The second example we have is the balloons rose quickly in the sky. Here again, rose is the verb and quickly is the adverb, which is telling us how the action took place. Okay, the action took place quickly. Now the adjective here is quick, which has been converted into an adverb by adding ly to it. The third example is the man walked slowly on the road. Now here again, slow is an adjective, all of you know that, and the adverb made from slow by adding ly is slowly. Walked is the action word over here, right? So slowly, the adverb is telling us how the man walked. All right. The next example is the lion roared loudly at the hunter. Roared is the verb and loudly is the adverb. Okay, and it is made from the adjective loud. The next example is she attempted the test carefully. Here, the adverb carefully is derived from the adjective careful. Okay, it is telling us how she attempted the test. She attempted the test carefully. The next example is the children were playing happily in the park. Here again, happy is the adjective and it has been converted into an adverb by adding ly, by removing the first y and then adding I instead of it and then adding ly at the end. So it is telling us how the children were playing. Playing is the action word over here and happily is telling us more about the action word. It is telling us how the children are playing, which is happily. So the happily is an adverb over here. All right, students, that was all for today. Stay blessed all of you students. Allah Hafiz.